Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? People always ask, how do you know if the garage door is well balanced? This is not like 100%, but this is like high 90s. Like, you lift the door up, one panel, let go, okay, no hands, stays, go up again, halfway, let go, okay, go up one more panel, let go. That's pretty well balanced garage door right there. So you can balance. Oh, and then if it stays, obviously it's got to stay up in the up position here. Okay, stays open like so. Okay. So if it stays open, balances at every point, that's a good indication your door is properly balanced. You should do that once a year. Tips, tricks, awesome content. Check us out. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our shorts. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.